Here we have the Zhiyun Crane 3S. Let's look what's inside of the box. We get a really nice case to transport your Crane 3S, and also we get tons of extra accessories compared to the previous model. Like the Crane 3 Lab, we have a tripod feet, however this time instead of a 1/4 screw we have a 3/8. Also we have a brand new quick release plate that is much bigger to mount under a cinema camera, and you can directly attach rods to it, and we have a brand new lens support. The batteries have remained the same as the Crane 3 Lab, however this time we have a brand new charger that connects to USB Type-C. Now let's look what we get in this black box. 3 Allen keys, several spare screws, a cover for the arm extension, and also several USB cables. A big change in design is that the rear grip with controls is an optional accessory, making it possible to make the gimbal even smaller, or if you need the extra controls you can add it back onto it. Also, there are 2 extension accessories. One is extending the screw mount on the back of the gimbal, and the other is to extend the arm of the gimbal itself so you can mount larger cinema cameras onto the Crane 3S. And of course the Zhiyun Crane 3S itself. For the coming time I will be testing out the Crane 3S with my cinema cameras, the C100 Mark II, the Zcam E2, and also much more, and we'll see how well it actually fares with those combinations, and also if working with it you need any extra accessories. So we'll have a much more in-depth review soon. So make sure to hit that subscribe button here below so you're always updated when I post a new video. And thank you guys for watching, and be safe out there, and love you all, and CD out.